Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make taco casserole, easy method. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F and brown 1 lb ground meat with taco seasoning, then drain excess fat. Mix in diced tomatoes and beans, season to taste, and prepare 1 cup crushed chips and 2 cups shredded cheese. Layer chips, meat, and cheese, cover with foil and bake until bubbly. Let rest and enjoy. You only need a handful of affordable ingredients to make this taco casserole simple and flavorful. Grab 1 lb ground beef or turkey, a packet of taco seasoning, 1 can diced tomatoes, and 1 can black beans. Use 2 cups shredded cheese, 1 cup crushed tortilla chips, and optional jalapenos or cilantro for brightness. For milder eating, reduce seasoning by half. Measure ingredients before you start for smooth assembly. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how people think about money, which is oddly useful when budgeting for recipes and groceries. I found its simple rules help save for bulk ingredients and smart shopping. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Layering matters a lot for texture and even baking, so pay attention. Spread a thin layer of crushed chips on the bottom, add half the meat mixture, then half the cheese. Repeat layers and press lightly so casserole holds together. Cover loosely with foil for the first 15 minutes, then remove foil to brown cheese for 5 to 10 minutes. Let rest 10 minutes before cutting so slices hold their shape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.